So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create an ad account from scratch. So when you are setting up your business center, right, you actually created an advertiser or an ads manager account, right? But then in the future, let's assume that you don't want to use that ads manager anymore due to several reasons, which I may not mention at the moment, right? Like there's a need for you to actually create a new TikTok ads manager account on your business center, right? So if you want to do that and you don't know how to go about it, or probably because this is a tutorial, right, like a course, right? So all you need to do is go to business.com, business.tiktok.com as usual, right? Then if you're on the home page, it's going to be similar to what you are seeing right now. And then scroll down to where you have an account. So click on account. So once you click on account, click on advertiser account. So once you click on advertiser account, click on create new account. Click on next. So once you click on next, you see company info. So this is already our business center info, right? So this is our business center info. Now the only thing that we need to do here is just to create an advertiser account, right? So we don't need to do this again because this has been selected for us automatically. So now we're going to be giving our ad account a name, right? So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to be saying tutorial ad account, tutorial course ad account. I'm not be naming this tutorial course ad account, right? Then for the time zone, so remember this is very very important because it's going to affect you when it comes to making payments for your ads, right? So make sure to select your time zone. Now I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to be selecting Lagos. So I'm going to be typing Lagos here. So if you're in Ghana, for instance, you can type Accra, and let's say you're in Uganda. If you're in Uganda, you can type, I think, Kampala, right? Oh, this is not here. So let me search for Uganda directly and see. Oh my God, this is serious. What about Kenya? Let me type Kenya and see. Or let me search by Nairobi. Yeah, Nairobi time is here. So I honestly don't know why Uganda is not here. So probably maybe Uganda TikTok ads manager is not yet available for people in Uganda, right? So I think it's called East Africa, right? So let me search for East Africa and see Eastern time. No, 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 this is not Eastern time. So it's not available at the moment. That's what it is. So that's what it means. So on your end, make sure to type either a popular city in your country or maybe your country directly. So it's going to be appear here. So it's going to appear here, right? So I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to be typing in Lagos time. So I'm going to put it on this. Then website, you see that the website is recommended, right? So if you don't have a website, probably you can use your TikTok profile URL. You can use your TikTok profile URL. You can also use your Facebook page URL. So, but I'm just going to be searching for a random URL to use now. So I'm going to be searching for Asian Global. So this is actually one of my clients' websites. So I'm going to be using this website for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm going to paste it here. So then the next thing is a contact name, contact email, phone number. So you see that these are optional, like they are not compulsory, right? So the major thing here is your time zone. So time zone is very very important because your ad account is going to be domiciled in your country currency and also your country time zone. So if you do not select the right time zone, it's going to affect you when it comes to making payments for your ads. So if you have done this and everything is correct, the next thing is to click on confirm here. So once you click on confirm, then you see link business center. So it's already linked to this our business center, which is Grand Rich Group PLC, blah blah blah. So this is the TikTok business center, right? Then this is the ad account. So you can see this an arrow, right? So this an arrow means that this tutorial course ad account is under this business center. That is what it means. Then if you are done with that, click on confirm here. So once you click on confirm, you still need to do additional approval. So you need to do additional approval, and once everything is successful, it's going to be approved for you and you can continue. So, Grand Risk, we want to access your TikTok account. You can go through the list of terms and conditions here. So, if you are comfortable with everything, you can click on continue here to confirm. So let's just wait for it while it loads. So at any point in time, if there's anything in this video that you do not understand, all you have to do is just to reach out to me, and personally I'm going to guide you. I'm going to explain to you in detail, so that, because that's the reason why you actually paid for this course, right? So if there's anything you don't understand, just come from me, like call on my attention. I'm going to make sure that I explain that into you. If it requires me to share my screen with you to like demonstrate how it works, I don't mind doing that, because I want you to like gain knowledge from this course, right? Because I don't want your money to be in vain. So once you have accepted that, you all have to do is to click on this OK. So once you've done that, you see tutorial add account, so you see approved. So that means we have created a TikTok account from scratch. And also this particular one, I showed you guys how to request an access to an ad account that has already been created, but then the ad account is not on your business center, it's on another person's business center, probably your client or someone else, right? So with this, I want to believe that everything that has to do with creating an ad account from scratch or requesting an access to an ad account from scratch, you guys are already acquainted and familiar with these things, right? So thank you for watching this video. If there's anything you don't understand, you can replay the video again, and after replaying the video you are still confused, feel free to reach out to me, and I'm going to make sure to guide you so that your money is not going to be in vain.